Now let us see the properties of this washing soda. It's a white colored crystalline solid which exists in the form of a decahydrate Na2CO3 10H2O form. On heating, this washing soda or this sodium carbonate 10H2O loses water of crystallization. When heated up to what 373 Kelvin or about 100 degrees Celsius, it loses 9 water molecules and becomes monohydrated. And when heated beyond 100 degrees Celsius or 373 Kelvin, it becomes what a dead solid mass, white mass, which is called wet powdered mass, which is called soda ash, because it becomes now anhydrous. Now, what is most important thing to note is that the sodium carbonate, when dissolved in water, makes the water basic. Why? Because this carbonate ion undergoes hydrolysis and it releases OH minus ions. So that this makes medium basic. Now, let us see the uses of this salt, this compound. It is used as a water softening agent. But the most important is because the sodium ion then shows ion exchange with calcium and magnesium. This we have done in case of in chapter hydrogen. Then it is used in the preparation of glass, soap, borax, etc. Because that's the main. This compound becomes the main source of the sodium for these substances. Then it is used in paper pulp industries, textile industries. It is used in paint industry. And the most important, the last, is that it is used as a lab reagent, both in qualitative as well as in quantitative analysis. So this is what we have sodium carbonate.